Let's look at rating scales. The most common type of rating scale is the Likert scale. It's the one we use most often. We will look at how statistics help us determine if the results we get from Likert tests are good. Here's a sample Likert scale. Look familiar? You would categorize the responses from 1 equals strongly disagree to 5 equals strongly agree when you transfer the data into the system for analysis. When evaluating surveys, there are a few ways you measure if items are good. We should actually measure the concept that we set out to measure. We must not have omitted important dimensions and elements or included unnecessary variables. Cronbach's alpha is one way to assess goodness of items. Say you are measuring beliefs about mentoring in IS and you use 5 questions to assess the beliefs. You would expect people to respond in similarly positive or negative manners when answering the questions that contain the elements of beliefs about mentoring that you theoretically derived. If they hang together as predicted, the Cronbach's alpha will be high. Minimum values are usually 0.80 or higher, but values of 0.70 or higher are sometimes okay. Cronbach's alpha helps you determine if the items you measured need to be on the survey or not. Reliability tests how consistently a measuring instrument measures the concept. Finally, validity tests how well an instrument that is developed measures the particular concept that it is intended to measure. The author should address all of these characteristics when describing their survey scale. In sum, Likert scales are an effective way to gather a large amount of data quickly. However, self-reports have inherent limitations. People lie. They say what they think you want them to say. They don't know. They're reluctant to complete the survey, etc. With Likert scales, you do lose possible rich data gathered in interviews. Statistics help to determine how well a set of data fits the proposed model. Usually statistical significant levels of p equals 0.05 are used. Authors should check validity, reliability, and Cronbach's alpha and make an argument for your results.